and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another homeschool haul and a homeschool summer update slash preparing for our next school year. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Shardae. I'm a homeschool mom to 5 children. They are 8, 5, 3, and 5-month-old twins. My 8 and 5-year-old are going into the my 8 and 5-year-old are going into the 3rd grade and kindergarten, and then my 3-year-old is kind of sort of doing pre-K stuff-ish, nothing major. And the thing that I want to talk to you guys about is there are some new things happening and just how our summer is going. So basically, things are going great for our summer. I do find that we're out mostly during the day, and then once there's lunchtime, we come back home for lunch, and then everyone that naps, the twins and the 3-year-old, they nap, and then me and my 8-year-old and 5-year-old, we work on phonics. Sometimes we do math, sometimes we don't. I'm not really stressed about it because you know what? Mama needs a break too. When we're out, we're usually out in the sun and it kind of beats down on us. So we just adjust as things come up. Also, another thing that we do is we make sure that we are reading. So I just want to keep up with that. As for what's to come for the new school year, well, I know y'all remember me saying this. So the third thing we don't do is co-ops. We just haven't had the bandwidth for them, and I don't see us wanting to do them in the future. We have see us wanting to do them in the future. Yeah. So joke's on me. I sat down and I looked at my things. I looked at the things that I need to do for seminary, home life, homeschool life. And I was like, I'm not going to make it. Because some days, to be honest, we're homeschooling at night. Just, you know, there's a lot going on with 5 kids. So I called up a new homeschool mom that goes to my church. And I was like, hey. And I'll be honest, she did ask for this last year, but I had just had the twins. I knew her, but I didn't know her in a way that, one, am I going to like her when I don't feel like dealing with people? Am I going to like her kids when I don't feel like dealing with other people's kids? Because at the end of the day, I don't want to mess up anyone's kids with a stinky attitude or whatever. Am I going to be, you know, let's say she comes over and my house is a mess. Like, I want to, like, I'm going to be basically doing life with her, right? So she had asked to start, like, a co-op, and if you've watched any of my previous vlogs, this is the same mom that I've met up with, like on some Fridays, where we like go to the park, or we went to her house and made puppets and made stories and things of that nature. So I know her, but I didn't know her, you know what I mean? So I just spent some time like watching how she moves, you know what I mean? How you watch people from afar, like we're still friends, but I'm like really intensely watching her because, listen. So she had asked, she had asked last year, you know, like, hey, you want to start something where we kind of meet up, things of that nature. And I was like, the only thing I really could do was like some Fridays. Okay. So then I started looking at my schedule and I was like, look, really, if you think about it, homeschool only takes an hour or 2. If it takes 2 hours, we're really in trouble, but it doesn't take that long. But what happens is, I gotta stop to take care of the twins and the 3-year-old. I gotta stop and cook. I gotta stop and clean. Like things of that. Like life, like kind of intertwines with homeschooling. So I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna make it because some nights we are homeschooling at night. So I called her up and I was like, well, I called her, she didn't answer. And then I was like, you don't have to call me back, but I'm just kind of thinking about what this whole joining together thing looks like. And we both said yes. And I told her, like, literally, I was just waiting to see, like, if I liked her to the point where I wanted to see her every day. And her kids. Just being honest. And if you're watching, hey Mackenzie, hey. So basically, we're gonna team up. And I guess it's called a co-op. She's gonna take care of the littles while I teach math and reading to our 4 older children. And I think this is gonna work out really well because again, homeschooling really doesn't take that long. Our focus will be phonics and math, and if time allows, we'll do science and history. And what I'll do is I'll do 6 weeks on with history, 6 weeks on with science. So I won't even do them together. But our main focus, she agrees with me, is reading and math. And I'm going to start off with reading just in case things go crazy with the littles or something and we have to leave. But yeah, first week we'll meet at my house, or I mean, it doesn't matter, but we'll do 1 week at my house and another week at her house, and we'll just interchange it that way. And I think that's a pretty even thing, and we'll be done. So we said 9 to 12, but I really think 9 to 11. I mean, if we really get good at it, 9 to 10, but we'll see how things go. And I'm excited because it will relieve me of some of the things that I continue to do, like during the night. And also our kids like each other. That was another thing I was really just kind of discerning, like, okay, are our kids going to get along? And how do you deal with, if they're having fighting issues and things of that nature? So we kind of agree with a lot of the same things, and we're both not perfect, and we both know that, and we both just really try to do our best every day. So we'll see. And it's funny because she said the same thing. She was trying to like see if like we were like our people, so yeah, we started a co-op. But anyway, I pre-recorded a haul for you. It was before I recorded the haul, then I had to feed the twins, so I hope there's nothing on my shirt, and then I came back. So you'll notice that I do have the headband on, but it was because about 30 minutes has gone between the haul and now. But anyway, watch the haul. I have a problem, but I'm like, today is it. I'm not doing anything else, except we do need a little bit more. So I'm saying I'm not doing anything else, but these things are just stuff that we don't need. Okay, so this is a Target and Dollar Tree haul. It's really not that bad. It's just that we don't need these things, and I really try not to buy things we don't need. I think I just got sucked in. Okay, so this is from, and it's not in any particular order, so I'll try to say what it was. This is from Dollar Tree. It's another one of the caddies. I got this because I know we already have one agreement, but I wanted to use one for paint for my 3-year-old and probably my 5-year-old, so they can just like dip this in there without having like making a big mess. Hold on one second. I ended up getting a couple of these for our first day of school shenanigans. Let's see. I ended up getting a couple of these for our first day of school, just so that my kids don't necessarily always sit down when we're doing read aloud or having Bible, things of that nature. So I got these so that they can have things to build with. So that. I ended up getting 2 of these just for storage. You just never know what you're gonna need them for. So I always just grab these from the Dollar Tree. The $1.25 tree. My kids are into making slime, especially during these summer days. We're like out during the day, but then once lunchtime hits, we're pretty much in. So got them some stuff. They say it makes it crunchy. I don't know. More Dollar Tree slime stuff. Glitter glue. I got this from Target, the magical liquid, because they're into making slime. This takes the place of the contact solution and the baking soda. And I feel as though it just makes less of a mess. We did need this for like actual legit homeschool, some glue. This was, it's 12 count, and I don't remember how much it was. I think it was $8.99. I'm not sure. I got some decals. I'm getting a new laptop, so I thought that this would be great for me to use. And then also for, I do have a water bottle that I want to decorate. And then I want to say last thing. No, it's not the last thing. The kids already opened these, but I got these from a Dollar Target spot. Again, I wanted them to be able to have things that, now this is not a quiet thing, especially if they're waiting or if they're reading or doing something. I figured that these would be fun for them to play with. My daughter has a unicorn one, and she's already playing with it. So this was supposed to be her first day of school present, but they got it back. And then, yes, the last thing is color changing glue for their slime making. So that is it. I do need to get like pencils and colored pencils, markers, and crayons. And that's all I need to get ready for our homeschool year. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Oh, in the comments, let me know how has starting a co-op gone for you. Leave us comments below, like well wishes and things of that nature. But I'm super excited, and I'm hoping to have her on my channel one day. I don't know, she's not really into that, but I think it would be good to kind of share our experience on why we started it and just our experience together as homeschool parents, and also her story of why she homeschools, because I think that's important too. But anyway, have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your summer. We have about a week and a half before we start back. So I'm excited about that. So anyway, yeah. Bye.